Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are joining us for the very first time, welcome. My name is Nomfundo and today I am here bringing you a video about how to properly remove knots from your hair after you had braids on. So I've already started, honestly. Well, my hair shrinks a lot, but anyways, I've already started. And I just remembered as I was doing, I'm like, hey, I need to make a video. So yeah, so I'm here. But anyway, so this is my hair. You guys can see all the build up. So this is the interesting part. Look at this. Look at this hair and look at after I have like removed all the gunk at the bottom. So obviously I had braids on for almost 3 months. And if you can see, there's like build up there. So that's the build up. So I've just tied up my hair. You can see it. I've tied it up and I've started at the back. And I am just, I'm going to sit here and do this. So the reason why I'm actually doing this video is because I want to do a whole routine, right, of how to treat your hair after you've had braids on or any protective styling for a very long time. Because obviously I had my braids on since I think the 29th of April and today is the 18th of July. So I removed the braids yesterday. So during that time I washed my hair. I know this is bad, I think I washed it 3 or 4 times, which is actually not that bad considering. And when I washed it though, because also I was traveling, right? Yeah, no, I know my fingers are also like, my nails are also like the pits. Guys, I've had this also since like, this is my nail, by the way. Interesting enough. These are the only nails that I left here. Okay, I'm digressing. Anyways, so, so anyways, I washed my hair like 3 or 4 times. And because I was traveling, I didn't really take a lot of my, like hair products. I only took, I think like oil, like my oil mixture and some shea butter, but I couldn't use shea butter because, you know, shea butter is very thick. And if I put it on, it will just leave like a white red residue. But I washed it and I used to like spray water on it and put on some oil on my scalp, which actually like made the hair fine. But then the rest of my hair was like, you see, I think like it feels very dry. So now so now I decided to unplait last night, and then I decided that today I'm just gonna spend the day at home, and I just wanted to properly remove the knots and then do a whole wash, a proper wash. And I think I'm actually going to, I'll show you guys what I'm using. Yes, so where's the stuff? Oh, it's here. I have I'm wearing pajamas. So I have my rice water. So I cooked rice yesterday. Like I made rice and then I decided, I've got rice water, so I kept it aside. So I kept this rice water from yesterday. This is my rice water. Put it in like a normal spray bottle. So what I do is I spray it on the actual knot. I spray it here to dampen it, and then I come in with, so this is not like the actual stuff that you buy in this bottle. It's an empty bottle that I kept, that I actually keep a lot of these bottles. Then I put my own stuff inside because it's like a spray bottle and I can reuse it. It's plastic. And instead of throwing it away, I just reuse it because it gets like put in a dump site somewhere. But anyways, so in here I have like a whole concoction of oils. I know I have extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil, castor oil, grapeseed oil, and I think avocado oil. Like, I don't know why I have all of these oils, but I'll tell you the benefits anyways. But yeah, I'll tell you the benefits when I actually show you how to make these oils or these things. But yeah, I'll make a separate video for how I make my oils for my hair. But so for now I'm using this. I then spray this on the knot after spraying it with water, so then that way it helps me to like separate. So I've already started. I've been doing this for like hours now, guys, and it's not moving. My brother was helping, but then he left. He was like, I can't do this, I'm going to the gym. So he left, and then that's why I remembered that, oh yeah, I can actually do a whole video on this. But anyways, let me get back to doing it so that we can get to the whole wash and how to treat the hair and how it'll look afterwards. But this is basically how my hair is looking right now. It's not that dry, honestly. It's honestly not very dry, which I'll also tell you how I protect my hair. Well, not protect it, but how I keep my hair moisturized when it's in braids, and make sure that it actually comes out still very soft, because you see it's still very soft. But anyways, let me put the camera down and continue. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Not later. Why am I saying later? I will see you guys as I remove the knots. Okay, so I'll show you a bit. Actually, I like keeping it up like this, and then I take out one at a time. So honestly speaking, I think the best way to do this is to actually remove the knot one at a time as you remove a braid. But because my brother was helping me remove my braids, I really didn't want to like discourage him from helping me, because I really didn't want to go to a salon this time, because they're very, like, I've been going to the salon for the past over a year now, because I've been very busy to do my own hair, which is actually why I'm doing this now, because I want to go back to doing my own hair. So because my hair, I realized that since I stopped doing it and going back to the salon to have my hair done there, it's not really growing anymore, if I may put it like that, because of all the manipulation. Well, not manipulation, but they're not gentle. Like, they very rough. Like, he asked me today, he's like, why didn't you just go to the salon to do this? And I'm like, they will just pull out all my hair, because when it's got all of these knots and they just come in and they just start combing, so they're not very gentle. So that is why I decided that I'm actually going back to taking care of my own hair. I will do my wash at home, I will do all the treatments, I think I'll also braid my own hair now back again, because I can do that. And I think now I've got the time again. Like, I've made sure that I've got the time. So yeah, so anyways, let me show you with one. I think I can show you with this one. I don't know if you guys can see clearly, but obviously I mix it a bit, and then I just spray on the knot, you see? And then I just like spraying as well the area around that I'm going to be busy with, because it just keeps, like, dampens it a bit, prepares it for the next, well, for me to get in, because now it's like very hard. And then I come in with my oil. I also mix it, because obviously I told you it's got like a lot of oils inside. And then I just spray on the knot itself. And then what I try to do is, because obviously the water, you guys can see, you see, like, there's, oh, look at those curls, look at those curls, look at those curls. But anyways, I'm not there. So I try to just run my hands down a bit, like the length of my hair, because there's still some water. And then I just, open this part up first, and then I go down to the actual knot itself. Like, my knots are very hard, and I try to gently, like very gentle, this is like horrible, but yeah, then I try to just be very gentle, and I try to separate the knots. These knots are so hard. I don't know why they're very hard, but yeah, I guess it's almost 3 months. It's like I'm shy 11 days of 3 months with the braids, like 12 days, because I took them down yesterday. But yeah, and then you see the knot comes out eventually. But yeah, I do it like this, and then I do the rest of my head. Basically, I'll do the rest of my head. But then you see the knot is coming out nicely. The hair is separated now. And yes, so I was saying that my hair is actually, even though it's been in a protective style for so long and I've been washing it as well, it's still very soft because, like I said, what I do is when I've got braids on, I basically always have my spray bottle with water. I usually also add some leave-in conditioner in my spray bottle, and then I'll add my oils. So it can even be just one oil, it can be like your extra virgin olive oil or whatever oil you want to put in. But I always have that oil in the water as well. But this time, because I was traveling, so I didn't bring my leave-in conditioner with me. And where I was, honestly, I was not in a place where I could. So my problem is every time when I travel, I was in Europe. So every time I go to Europe, right, I struggle to find like natural hair, like black people, natural hair products. So I'd have to like be on Amazon or something, or really do my research and find these places. So I end up not finding these places and just using whatever. But then this time I just decided, you know what, I don't need to buy leave-in conditioner and all of that. I have my oil that I brought with me. I just took a bottle, spray bottle, I put in some water and I put in some of the oil. So now every time when I sprayed my hair, like every couple of days, not every day, every couple of days, I'll spray obviously the roots, and then I'll spray the length of the hair as well with the water. And then I would also just take the oil itself, rub it on my hands, and then just like rub the braids, because my hair obviously is also like entangled or like intertwined with the braids. So that way it actually keeps my hair very moisturized, and when I do take off the braids, my hair is still very soft and it's like still hydrated, if I may put it like that, like moisturized. So yeah, so that's how I do it. Anyways, so once I have properly removed the knot, back to this, then I start from the bottom. I've got like the very small like comb. I start from the the tips, and then I go down, just combing out like that, and voila, I have removed the knot, and there's my hair, knot gone. So I'm gonna carry on. Obviously I will not record the same, it's the same basically for the rest of my head. It's gonna take me a couple of hours, but yeah, I'm happy to see my hair out, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with it honestly, but exciting times. Okay, so I look a mess. I honestly look a mess. Like, it is, wait, where's my phone? It is 16 minutes past midnight, past 12. And I've been doing this for almost 10 hours. So I started around 2 p.m. in the afternoon, and well, I think I took like a 2 or 3 hour break as well, because I ate, and then after eating I just played on my phone, like played games. But guys, it's been a long day. So this is my hair. It is completely knot free, and I am ready to like sleep. And honestly don't feel like I'm gonna wash it today, because yeah. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm actually just gonna spray. So I've used up that amount of water, and I am gonna mix some more, and I'm just gonna spray my hair. I'm actually gonna section it. I'm gonna put it into sections, and I think I'll do four sections, because you guys, I am actually so exhausted, like honestly speaking. And yes, I'm in PJs once again, right? So I will just part my hair. So I just spray some water, just a little bit of water, and yeah, so this is just so that I can part it. I think I'll part it like this all the way to the back. My parts are not very straight, but anyways, it doesn't matter. I just want to sleep now. Oh yes, the amount of hair I lost. This is the amount of hair I lost. My hair is very like coily. You guys can see, like, look at this. It is so coily. Like, okay, I don't know, people usually do this. I don't know why I'm doing that, but I just wanted to focus on the hair. But it is very coily. It's falling, but you see, like, this is the amount of hair that I shedded. This is basically, I guess, for having my braids on for like 3 months. And yeah, but anyways, so what I'm gonna do now is I will part my hair. I'll spray some more of this rice water just so that I can part again. This is just to make it easier for me to part and I don't like braid my hair. So this I will part. I will sleep with the rice water in my hair tonight. And should I just do like, I'm actually thinking of just doing 3 or 2. I think I'll do 3. I'll do 3 so that I can, no, let me do 2 so that it's easy to wash tomorrow. So I'm just gonna drench my hair with a little bit of water because it's a bit dry, but the rice water is actually good for my hair. So I'm using a little bit of rice water and I am adding some of my oil just for the breakage, guys, because as I said, it's been 3 months and my hair is quite dry, if I may put it like that, and brittle, because when it's dry, obviously it's brittle. So I am just going to put this in twists, in very huge twists, so that I can wake up in the morning tomorrow and I will just, yeah. But yes, so I've just dampened my hair with the water, rice water, and now I'm just going to twist it up and put it away. So I'll do this for my entire head and I will see my hair tomorrow because, yeah, I'm not tired per se, but I'm just, yeah, I'm just not energetic. But anyways, I will put my hair in the twists like that. And you see more hair is like coming out off. You see more hair is coming off. So I'm going to do this to the entire head. I'm going to like spray with water first and then add some oil and then put it like this. And then I'll put on a bonnet. So let me do the entire head. I'm not going to record the whole process for the entire head, but yeah. All right, so this is like me ready to sleep. I know this is like the worst twist ever, but this is just me. I've sprayed some rice water. I think I'll spray some more just because I've got a lot. I'll spray some more and I'm ready to sleep. So yeah, I will sleep with this. I'll put a plastic bag on and my hair bonnet, and then I'm just gonna sleep. And then tomorrow morning I'll wake up and I'll probably shampoo. I don't know if I've got, I think I have. I need to check because yeah, I moved and all my stuff is still in the bags there. It hasn't been packed and I've been here for like almost 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 3 weeks, almost a month. But anyways, so yeah, so I'm gonna go sleep now and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning when I wash my hair. Good night.